In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Channel 4 account outside the UK. It's actually really easy. Let's get straight into it. So all you need to do is open up a browser, put in Channel 4, and then come up here to sign into My 4. Then come down here to register and put in your details. I'm going to do that right now. Once you've put in your email address and password, it's going to bring you to this page. Now, obviously these details are pretty straightforward. However, address can be a little bit tricky. This needs to be a UK address. So if you don't live in the UK, that's not a problem. All you need to do is go on Google and search random UK address. UK address generator, whatever one, they'll all do the same thing pretty much. This one's pretty good, I think. There we go. You can search by, it says search by postcode here. So all you need to do is close that ad and grab this, which is a postcode. Copy that, paste that in there, and then just pick an address. That will do. And then obviously fill in these other details as well, and then click next. So I'm going to quickly do that, and I'll show you what it looks like on the next page. And once you've gone through the process, you'll now have a Channel 4 account. It's going to ask you to pick 3 shows. I don't really care. And there we go. Now it's crucial to know that although you have an account, you're still not going to be able to watch any of the content. And that's because Channel 4 is only available in the UK, and it blocks anybody outside the UK from accessing any of its, as I say, content. So I'll show you what that looks like. If I try and watch The Revenant, and I click play, straight away it says not available. Channel 4 is only available in the UK. Now the reason that's happening is because your IP address, which is a bit of code used by your device whenever you go online, shows that you're not in the UK. I'm based in New Zealand. My IP address will show that I'm in New Zealand. Now to change that, obviously you need to change your IP address, and the best way to do that, there's a few ways you can do it, but I think the easiest and best way to do it is with a VPN. Now there's lots of VPNs out there that could possibly do this, but I've found the best VPNs for Channel 4 are NordVPN and ExpressVPN. They're just reliable. I use them daily, not just for Channel 4. I use them for BBC iPlayer, ITVX, even American-based streaming services as well. If you are interested in using these VPNs, we have links in the description that will get you a discount and 3 months of a subscription for free. But if you don't want to use these, the process is going to be exactly the same. All you need to do is open one of them up. I'm going to use NordVPN for this example and connect to a United Kingdom server. So do make sure that your VPN has UK servers. Now once you've done that, that will have changed your IP address to a UK IP address, which basically means it looks like you're connecting to the internet from within the UK. Now, if we go back to Channel 4 and refresh the page, and we try and play The Revenant again, you can see that I no longer run into that error. Let me just quickly mute this. Yeah, so I'm no longer running into that error. This is an advert, a long advert by the looks of it. But yeah, that's how easy it is. So that's how you make a Channel 4 account. And then if you want to watch Channel 4 outside the UK, all you need to do is get yourself a VPN and connect to a UK server. If you want to use what I think are the best VPNs, remember that down in the description, there are a couple of links that will get you 3 months of your subscription for free. That's how easy it is.